Oh yeah, bring out your two hands. All the years that you have lost, except there is God, with my knees on this altar, all the years that you lost, I announce, let it be restored. Opportunities that you lost, let it be restored. Restore. Let your image wonder. I don't care who went before you. I don't care who went before you. What God is about to do in your life, count down with me. It will not be up to 4 weeks. What God will do in your life will make everybody shine. Receive it right now. Receive it right now.